How to log into your iFlix account. Hey guys, in this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to easily log into your iFlix account. First off, open up your web browser and then go to the search bar and simply search for iFlix login. Hit enter and you'll be taken to this page. Now click on this link, iflix.com. And once you land on this page, all you're going to have to do now is go ahead and click on the profile icon at the top right beside the language and click on it. Now, once you click on this option, you can enter your phone number or email that is connected to your account and then simply enter your password. If you want to view your password, click on this little I button, and somehow if you forgot your password, you can click on this forgot password option. They'll send a verification code to your email. Just enter the code here and verify your email. Then you should be able to reset it. You can even continue with Facebook or your Google account. And now simply go ahead and click on the login button. And if your login credentials are correct, you should be able to log into iFlix. So that's pretty much it, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful. Now you can enjoy your favorite series and dramas. So if you found it helpful, like the video and subscribe. I'll catch you on the next one.